हेलो।
हेलो। मैंने इसलिए फ़ोन किया था, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट यू डन फॉर मी। ऐसे मौके मिलते नहीं हैं मुझे।
Okay, I'm really humbled and happy, but once to hear your voice, और ये तो थैंक यू तो बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरवेलमिंग हो रहा है मेरे लिए।
ये मैं जब एक बार क्लास में लेट आया था तो प्रोफेसर सुभाष केंडले का फंडा ये था कि जो लेट आएगा वो डांस करेगा। तो मैं आया था ऐसे ही 8:30 मेरे साथ 2 और लोग भी थे। तो ही सेड कि अब तो डांस तो करना पड़ेगा। तो हम कर नहीं रहे थे, तो हम लोग बोला आप ले लो सर कर रहे हैं जो डांस मत करवाओ। तो उन्होंने अचानक से बीच में से चिल्लाया बोला डांस करो अभी। तो हमने सच में डांस करना चालू कर दिया और उन्होंने ना एक लड़के को बोला था कि इसका वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करना, और वो सर ने ना हमारा सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल करा दिया हमको पूरे कॉलेज में।
My friend got punished, and we had this thing that when he gets punished, the whole bunch of group that जो हम जितने लोग हैं, we all used to just go out together. So we landed up going out together, and our professor was like, "What is happening? You're not supposed to move out like this together." But then yes, we went out, and the professor was so pissed that he actually went out and he was like, "I'm not taking the lecture anymore."
I think during the 10th standard farewell, the farewell was supposed to be in March or something, but the entire lot of, I think 200 students, we just celebrated the farewell a month before. That was the in Feb or something. So the entire batch, 200 students were almost disbanded. We weren't given our hall tickets for the 10th standard examination. So that was one big thing that happened during my school days.
I was in class 3rd, and my environmental studies teacher, he actually took a stick and hit my backside with that, and I got a really big scar after that, and that was the biggest punishment I ever got. And I went home and I complained to my parents, and the next day that teacher was fired and all. That was like the epic thing that ever happened to me.
नहीं, वो हमारा मजाक उड़ाते थे यार, तो फिर वो कसर नहीं छोड़ते थे, कोई चांद मौका ही नहीं देते थे।
There was this really sweet teacher, as a substitute teacher, and during that time we had these laser watches and all. So we were like 4-5 friends, and we used to just piss her off with the laser watches, just shooting lasers everywhere on the board and all. So yeah, that was one fun thing that we used to do.
So we found a small frog. So my friend picked it up, and we were like कि इसका कुछ तो भी करते हैं, आज जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर है बड़ा बोरिंग है। तो हम लेकर गए और हमने वो ड्रॉर में वो फ्रॉक को रख दिया था। और द टीचर, वी नो दैट शी ऑलवेज कम्स एंड opens the drawer because she always needs that chalk which is there in that drawer. So we would do that, and the moment she opened, that frog came on her and she shouted and she went bizarre. She went outside.
In my college days, there was a Sanskrit teacher. So we used to bully her a lot, like, please could you repeat that? Please could you repeat that? And she used to repeat again and again, like for 10 times. And then she used to get fed up and start crying.
स्कूल के टाइम में हमारी टीचर हुआ करती थी, तो वो टीचू हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश एज वेल, ठीक है। तो दोनों एकदम अलग लैंग्वेज, बट उनका दोनों पे बहुत कड़क कमांड था। और तुम फिल्मों में देखा होगा जैसे कि मतलब थोड़ा स्लीवलेस साड़ी वारी पहन के आती थी, तो तभी उन पर बड़ा क्रश होता था।
I did have a crush on my 4th standard teacher. It's way long back, but yeah, I don't really remember her name, but she was really cute and she helped me a lot in my studies.
Secret crush, yes. In very small age, in class 2, there was this English teacher in my hostel. So yeah, he was good looking.
Actually, it was never a secret because I always revealed it. I always told them I loved them a lot, and the ones who I loved, they loved me back, so it was good.
School teacher, yes, my 8th, 9th standard French teacher. She was, I think, 20 to 23 years old, and each and every boy in our class, in my class actually, was full on fida over her. She had a really cute smile, and yeah, I mean, I did tell her that you look really pretty, and she did give me good marks in French for that comment.
उनका नाम कृष्णमूर्ति है। and he's such a good friend now कि the moment I call him he first starts abusing me and then we talk to each other. He is a really good friend. तो उन्होंने when I joined him तो उन्होंने मुझे जो भी पढ़ाया ये वो and then he was like कि अगर तू इससे आगे पास मतलब at the first attempt अगर तू नहीं हो पा रही है तो तू जितने बार भी अटैम्प्ट देना चाहेगी आई एम ओके विद इट, बट द वेरी फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट आई क्लियर एंड इवन टुडे ही इज़ अ really good friend than a teacher.
सुभाष टेंडले मोटिवेटेड मी अ लॉट. इनफैक्ट आई रिमेंबर दिस वन स्टोरी जहाँ पे मेरे को पोर्टफोलियो बनाना था और मेरा काम हुआ नहीं था. तो यू नो ही सेड कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है. आई सेड आई एम ट्राइंग बट इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग. समझ में नहीं आ रहा, ट्राई तो कर रहा हूँ. तो ही जस्ट सेड दिस वन सिंपल थिंग. ही सेड यू नो ट्राई टू पिक अप दैट पेन ऑन द टेबल. सो आई पिक्ड इट अप. He said, I just told you to try to pick up the pen. Why did you go ahead and pick it up? So he said that, you know, trying कुछ नहीं होता, सीधा कर दो उसको, करा करो.
Neha Sharma, she is still my mentor and I call her up whenever I'm in trouble and whenever I need her help. And she knows me from like when I was like a 4-year-old kid. So she molded me in such a way where I can actually face anything that comes my way, and she taught me how to deal with all the problems.
मौका तो एज सच नहीं मिला है बिकॉज हमने खुद से हम कभी ट्राई नहीं करते कि बोले कि जस्ट टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड कि वो उनका काम है वो करे जा रहे हैं और हम थैंक नहीं बोलते.
No, I don't think so. I have done that. I don't think so I've done that.
And I never got a chance, you know, once everything was finished, college तो नौकरी वोकरी के चक्कर में उतने डूब गए कि मतलब you know barely got a chance to thank them.
Do you want me to do that?
You really want me to call them?
Right now, cool.
Yeah, see? Perfect song.
Hello, Teacher Margaret.
Yes.
Teacher Margaret, Callan here.
Who's it?
Callan.
Callan.
Callan. Do you remember me?
सर सायली बोल रही हूँ. कैसे हो आप? सरप्राइज दिया क्यों? यू आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग माई कॉल.
I called to say thank you. I don't think I've said that before to you. I think it's missing from what I've been doing with my life, and I think you are one person who I should thank for what I've come to.
You know, since the course has been finished, इतना chance नहीं मिला to you know get back to you and thank you for all that you taught me.
Yeah, I just wanted to call you and just wish you, because Teachers' Day is coming ahead. So I just wanted to wish you a happy Teachers' Day and thank you for all what you've done for the entire class and me personally.
Thanks a lot for remembering me.
फ़ोन इसलिए किया था कि मुझे थैंक यू बोलना था आपको आज. किस चीज़ के लिए? वही जो आपने मेरा मैथ्स निकलवाया था इंजीनियरिंग में.
Remember how I told you, see, in the start that I would reach Hollywood at one point?
Yes.
Well, I'm halfway there. I'm gotten to Bollywood right now.
Wow. My job is to be the platform which you can step on and grow and go up.
उतना ही पतली हूँ सर, थोड़ा 2-3 kgs गेन किया है.
आज अभी बॉम्बे जल्दी आओ, फिर पार्टी करते हैं.
हाँ, मैं जल्दी से लॉन्ग सिंस वी हैव मेट तो
Yes.
पार्टी भी करते हैं जल्दी से और तुमसे मिलना भी होगा. आई रियली वांट टू सी कि कैसे मेरा छोटा सा बच्चा है ग्रोन अप टू सच अ ब्यूटीफुल मैच्योर प्रोफेशनल. सो आई डेफिनेटली लुक फॉरवर्ड टू मीट यू.
Thank you. Love you. चलो, I have to keep, okay? Love you. Bye.
Good to hear your voice.
Same here, sir. Thank you.